Are you trying to get a two-step funnel on WordPress, but you don't want to build out the whole entire funnel itself? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get a two-step funnel to sell your product in less than 10 minutes. We're already inside of the WordPress on SwapFunnels, and the first page of the two-step funnel is already done. All we have to do is now create the second page. So as you can see, I'm over here. The first page, step one, is done. Now we have to do step two. We'll press use this page. Great. Once that page has finished loading, as you guys can see, we have step two right now. And over here on this page, we have step one, as you can see right here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and delete this right here. This is the first step. We don't need that. Then we're going to upload our logo. Great, the logo is done. And also at the very bottom, our logo again. Great, we have both of our logos in place. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put a headline right here. So let's go ahead and grab one of those. I'm going to come right over here to our headlines, and we're just going to copy this. Now, if this is your product, you should already know what kind of headlines you want to add, because all you need to do here is just swap it out and go. Go ahead and paste that in, and then that's done. We need a sub headline. Paste that sub headline in. And then what we want to do is I want to change the sub headline to the color black. And I want to change this headline to like a brownish color. Okay. And now as we keep on going down, right here, we can add a video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here to YouTube, and I'm going to grab this video right here. It says better than Starbucks, and I think that's great. Press settings, paste it in just like that. And as I scroll down, as you guys can see in the background, it still says video right there, but that's just an overlay. So we'll come over here to the overlay, and we just press trash can that overlay. So far, we're on our way down. So we come back over, get another attention grabbing headline, and we'll paste it here. Great, that's done. Over here, we'll have a little testimony. If you guys have a testimony for your business, you can go ahead and insert that there. But for this example, we're just going to leave that just like that. We'll change the button. Yes, I want to know the holiday secrets. Okay, that's great. All right. Now we are moving on down. Come over here, another attention getting headline. And as you can see, we are already finished with our first page of our two-step funnel. So if I wanted to, I can go ahead and add a background. Went ahead and added a nice little background in the back so it can look super dope. As you guys can see, I think that looks pretty sick. And so this is already finished. So our two-step funnel is already done. And we can go ahead and just press this save button right here. Now, once that has been saved, everything is locked in. And not only is it already looking good for a desktop right here, but if we go over here to the mobile, you can actually see everything looks good and well aligned for mobile as well. Okay. So now all we have to do is press exit. And this is exactly how the first page of the two-step funnel looks. How awesome is that? And this was done in like less than 10 minutes. And that looks very, very good. When we want to do the same thing to step two of the funnel, I will show you guys how to do that in another video. Now, if this video was helpful for you guys, be sure to comment down below. Let me know what you got from it. If you are interested in getting SwapFunnels for your business, go ahead, click the link in the description, subscribe, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.